Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful warm smoky eye with a pop of like a pink shimmer. I really love this look. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer in neutral, and I'm going to put this on my eyelid. I already did one eye off camera, as you can see. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to blend out the eye primer. And then I'm going to take, these are my favorite palettes right now, the LA Girl Keep It Playful eye palettes. And I'm going to use the one called Playmate, and I'm going to take this nude shade and set my inner corner to brow bone with that shade. I love that the palettes have these like cream shades, so that way I can do this with them. I don't have to use a separate eyeshadow. And then going into the foreplay one, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like a really nice warm brown, and my AOA E126 brush, and just blend that eyeshadow into the crease. It's a beautiful color. And then I'm gonna take this dark brown here. It's like a reddish, warm, dark brown, and I'm going to use my AOA E132 brush and just apply that on the outer corner of my eye. And then go back with the other brush and just kind of blend in the crease and blend that out a little bit. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this pink color in this palette, the more rosy tones, and I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush. Take a lot of that color and spray my brush. This is not the Wet n Wild In Love with Cocoa. My favorite setting spray is the NYX Bear With Me spray, but I don't like the spritzer on this, so I put it into this Wet n Wild spray because I like the mist on this one better. So yeah, I like emptied it out and put that spray in this bottle. But I'm going to just spray my brush with that and apply that on my eyelid. more in the center. Take a little bit more and just kind of build it up. This is a beautiful pale pink shimmer, and I just love it up against the warm tones. And then I'm gonna just take some of it with my finger, and this really also helps build up that shade. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful, like glittery white kind of color. It's kind of pinky as well. And I'm going to place that on top. And this just adds a beautiful, glittery, foiled touch and makes it even more perfect and beautiful. Now for my face makeup, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dream Just the Cream Putty Primer from their Cookies and Dreams collection. And I take a lot of it, and I just dot that all over my face and blend it in. My Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Serum. This is the Hydrate one. And I'm just gonna dot that on my face. Well, not dot it. I'm gonna use the little, I don't even know what that thing's called, you know what I mean. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's the dewy one. This is my favorite foundation ever. It's so amazing. I love the dewiness it has. I'm just gonna blend it out with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, just in some areas on my acne spots. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and just set all of that. I'm just going to press that powder down onto my skin with my sponge. Then I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I love the smell of this bronzer, it's so good. And I'm going to use my Morphe JH02 brush just to apply that to my cheeks. Beautiful warm Beautiful warm bronzer. I use my BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle palette in this pale pink shade, and I feel like it matches this makeup look so well. And I'm going to use my Morphe JH04 brush and just blush it up. I'm going to use my Milani Stellar Lights highlighter palette in the shade Rose Glow. And I'm going to use the color Pearl right here. And my Ducare highlighting brush and just highlight my face. And then I'm gonna take that with my finger and apply it in my inner corners just to add a beautiful bright white shimmer. Then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette and my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush and just do my brows. And then I'm going to use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude on my waterline. Well, I guess I'm holding my baby while I do this, because it was bright, because she will not stop crying and she wants me to hold her all the time. So I'm going to try to do this while holding her. I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler and apply my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I already did it on this eye. And sometimes I like to just leave the bottom blank. So that's what I'm going to do today. Then I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in Sugar Glass and just line my lips. I just like to use lip liners as lipsticks because the lip liners are kiss proof. They don't come off. What? Have you got something to say? Huh? You are so cute. So this is the completed makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.